In this tutorial, we are going to make something like this. First, we need to bring in the layers. So you have two options. You can either create a PSD file or an AI file. Let's begin by importing a PSD file. The items that are to be animated need to be in separate layers. So I have different layers for that. Now I go into After Effects, File, Import, File, and select the PSD file. I can also drag and drop the PSD file over here. I'll select composition and open that composition, copy all the layers and paste it to the main composition. So I have the PSD file over here with the same hierarchy. I can animate any of the property of the layer. What about an Illustrator file? Similarly, for an Illustrator file, you need to have individual layers for the items that you need to animate. So I come over here, I go select release to layers sequence. Now I have layers in this particular sequence that I need to be. I can delete the redundant layer and go to After Effects, File, Import, File, and the AI file that I just created. I'll choose composition, retain layer size, open. So I like the PSD file. I go into the composition of this file. I copy and paste all the files to my main composition. Now I have those individual layers. Let's animate it. I expand the rotation. I press down Alt and click on the stopwatch icon and type in an expression. That's time star 100. I click out of the expression control panel. Now I can see the wheel rotating. I need to increase the value, maybe like 500, so that it rotates faster. Now I'll do the same for the other layer as well. The body is separate from the wheel layer, so if I animate it, it won't work. Now what I need to do is parent the layer. So I select all the three layers and parent it using the pick whip tool to the main body layer. Now if I move the position of the body, the wheels will move as well. Now that I have all this set, I can animate it further. I set an animation for the position. Now I create a null object and parent the roll layers to the null object. So I add a keyframe for position, move forward in time and change the position of the null. Now our road is animating, but it just animates one time. So I need to add an expression. I alt click on the stopwatch icon of the position and type loop out, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and exit from the panel. By parenting the shape layers to the null object, I also have the freedom to move the shape layers around without affecting the keyframes of the null object.